Hello and welcome to your daily update about Link, pretty much daily. Okay, so we take a look at the long-term chart first here. The idea is still that we should see this larger third wave to at least $69, which is here the 138% extension. We talk about the larger third wave. As you can see, we are probably in the main, let's say the main element of a third wave. There is probably more to come. As far as I can tell, we need obviously to hold micro support levels. So looking at the micro support levels, we can do that on the 1 hour chart, but it looks like we might push higher more directly. The next resistance which was tested is at $27.56. That is the next upside level to watch. Above that, we've got 38, 55, 69. And the price could move up quite directly without deep pullbacks. But there will be pullbacks along the way, just not very deep pullbacks as far as I can tell. And the $27.56 level needs to be broken next, and then we could move quite directly to 38.40 in this circle 3, with then again circle 4 to come, circle 5, and so on. This is how I see the Link chart. Important is, from a daily chart or 4-day chart point of view, that obviously this roadmap can fail along the way. But should we get all these 5 waves completed, then it would be a great opportunity in the next larger correction. Whether that's a bear market or just a major correction, we will have to see. But I can tell you that even if we just move back down here, so even if we reach 100K, not 100K, well, $100 or something, right, in this area, because wave 5 could get there, then a correction down to even just $10 is quite substantial, isn't it? So that's not even far away from where we're now. I mean, yeah, it's a 50% drop, but look, that's just spitting distance here on this long-term chart, you know, because normally what guidelines tell us that should we get all 5 waves completed, the correction, like if this is a large wave 1, the correction in wave 2 lands usually in the region of a wave 4 of 1 lesser degree. In the region. Doesn't need to be you know, broken or anything, but it's more in the regions somewhere there, you know. So be aware that you don't want to carry your profits into the next major correction. I think we don't want to do that. Best approach in my opinion is to obviously get positions when we are in these support areas. There was one here on the 4-day chart which worked out really well, and trying to stay in the trend as long as possible, having maybe a core position and then a smaller position to trade around it, and then just go with the trend as long as it's easy to do so. At the moment, it's quite easy to do so because the price is moving up and is holding all support levels. For me at the moment, the main support here on the shorter time frame is at 16.52. Yeah, I would say that's key support for the smaller pattern. But on the micro, really, it's 20.92. But any break below this sort of micro support level here at $20.92 will not mean that we're crashing down or that this rally has failed. But a break below 16.52 could, right? So that's for me really key support. But against that level, we can focus on higher. In the very short term, I would actually prefer for the price to form one more high more directly, because we're dealing here with, as far as I can tell, a triangle. I mean, I've already highlighted yesterday that I'd like to see actually one more high, which would be in wave 5 of the third wave there. That's based on the idea that in this microstructure, at least one more high is missing to complete the third wave here, which might take us, as I said, to the next upside level. Then we could get a larger wave 4 and another larger wave 5, and then, you know, we move through this in a series of 4 or 5 patterns then. Yeah, and overall, therefore, I would pay attention to this triangle pattern and the $20.92 level, because as long as 20.92 is holding, this micro count as it is on the chart remains valid. That's the update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.